If you line your lips like this, you're doing it wrong. Let me show you. If you have lips like me, and especially after getting lip filler, I was so confused as to how to fill my lips. Make sure your pencil is sharp for starters, because I'm guilty of that. Using a blunt pencil isn't gonna work. Do it two ways. You could either go right on top like this, but today I'm gonna do a Cupid's bow type. Oh, look at that, it just broke. What I do is create a triangle right here, especially someone who doesn't actually have a Cupid's bow. It's so annoying. You can connect these two here, connect it like that, like this. So we've got a shape to my lips for once. Yeah, see a difference. To make sure it's even, I do this. And then I've recently fallen back in love with doing this line here. Lips lined, blend that baby. Sometimes I take a finger and I blend. Taking my Fenty lipstick in, I can't remember what shade this is, Scholar Sister, and I'm going to use that to add a bit more color to my lips. So most people at this point would think, oh yeah, I'm done now. Like, no, you need to blend your lips again. It's cute. I know this is a long process, but trust me, your lips will come out looking great. What I like to do on top is to add a gloss or lip oil. So I'm using the Sigma Renewed Lip Oil in Tint. I also like the shade All Heart as well. And apply a lip oil or gloss. Taking the tip of the gloss and we're going over the lip liner, like right over. And you're gonna think I'm crazy. I kid you not, I go back in with my lip liner. If you want, you can use like a colorful gloss, so like you can use like a dark gloss to go over the lip line if you want. That is how to do your lips. Sorry this was so long-winded, but honestly, them look juicy, make them look delicious. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next one.